What's up, YouTube? I'm about to eat a can of cranberry sauce that expired 3 years ago. What the hell are you eating? November is National Epilepsy Awareness Month. Millions of people in the United States and around the world suffer from epilepsy, which is a neurological condition that causes seizures and other related symptoms. Some cases of epilepsy are treatable with drugs and some aren't. The color used to reference epilepsy awareness is purple. So I got a purple food here. Cranberry sauce. But not just any cranberry sauce, cranberry raspberry sauce. I don't know if it's available on the market anymore, but what I do know is this is expired. Expired 3 years ago, July 2010. So we're going to open it up and we're going to see if it's any good. What do you know? I know how to work a cranberry... A can opener! A cran opener.
It's upside down.
Yeah, the cranberry sauce cans have always been weird to me because on the top it always says open on other end. So it makes me look like an idiot when I open it, no matter what I do. Anyway, there it is. Looks like it's got little specks in it. It actually does have legit raspberry in it. It's not just cranberry. Just slides right out. I always liked how cranberry sauce takes the shape of the can it's in. And just in case you guys can't see it from that angle, I'm going to take a little picture of it right here. Take a couple photos, you never know. Because this could be the last time we ever see cran raspberry sauce. Did it expire 3 years ago? I don't imagine that it's going to taste too gnarly. It's a little chunk. And I hope this weird purple food helps spread awareness about epilepsy. For being 3 years old, this doesn't taste half bad. Damn ice cream, man. Actually, I want cranberry ice cream about now. It's still good. Yeah, it's unlike your traditional cranberry sauce, you get in those little raspberry seeds. I don't actually taste any raspberry though. It's like Jell-O, but just a lot harder. I guess like typewriter motion is probably the best way to eat this. Still good to the last drop. But that isn't where the purple food madness quite ends. I got something else. In this bag, we have guava paste. My friend Victor found this in Mexico. It looks a lot like cranberry sauce, it's just a lot harder. Now maybe this guava paste is bad. Oh no. Actually, it's more like guava candy. Oh man, that is a sugar coma waiting to happen. For an American though, this would be a very, very weird food. Purple Foods, Epilepsy Awareness. Check out the links below. I have some links to some medical websites that have more information about epilepsy and epilepsy awareness. Be sure to thumbs up this video if you like weird ass foods. And check out the link below to see Tracy Goode's video. His daughter does struggle with epilepsy, and he has a touching video tribute to her condition. Stay in school, don't do drugs, and eat like a freak.